Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get money instantly on PayPal. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. If you're not a seller, your money may be on hold due to the incorrect payment type. Update the product's tracking information. After using one of the approved shipping carriers, you will need to add the tracking information. Once the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address, PayPal should release the hold after 24 hours. Navigate to Activity, select the transaction, and then Product. Enter the tracking information and submit. If the payment is on hold for a service that cannot be physically shipped, PayPal will hold the funds until you mark the order status as completed. Once marked, it can take up to 7 days for the funds to be released. Select the transaction and go to Service or Virtual Product. Select Completed and Submit it. PayPal will track the item and release the hold about 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery. Navigate to Activity, select the transaction, select Print Shipping Label and select the transaction. Click Apply Shipping Preset and select a shipping option. Click Buy Label. Make sure the payment type is correct. If you're not a seller and you received money from a family or friend, in this case, you will need to change the order status. Navigate to Activity, then Transaction. Select Service or Virtual Product, then select Completed and Submit. Ask the sender to review the transaction and select Confirm Receipt. You can contact PayPal via Twitter or Facebook, or you can chat with a representative by clicking Contact at the bottom of any PayPal page. Alternatively, you can wait up to 21 days for PayPal to release the hold. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.